This podcast is published solely based off the interests of Jacko Law Group, PC, and in no way be construed as legal advice. The opinions shared reflect those of the authors and not necessarily the views of Jacko Law Group, PC. For more specific information or recent industry developments or situations, you should seek legal opinion or counsel. You are hereby notified that any review, dissemination, or copying of this message and its attachments, if any, is strictly prohibited. These materials may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions.
Welcome to Jacko Law Group's Securities Law Regulatory Compliance Podcast. I'm Michelle Jacko, Managing Partner and CEO at Jacko Law Group PC. We created this podcast to break down complex securities law regulatory compliance matters for business owners and professionals like you. Plenty of firms and advisors are under the impression that after they produce all initial documents to the SEC, the document production phase is over. Oftentimes, that is just not the case. It's only just begun. Once the SEC has reviewed your documents, the Commission often submits a secondary request the next day, week, or months down the line. Keep in mind that an SEC exam is a process and it will take time. It is more of a marathon than a sprint. Thus, when producing documents, it is important to be prompt in meeting deadlines, but do not hastily provide a speedy response. Instead, we encourage firms to take their time, plan out their response, and fully understand the reasoning or purpose of the staff's requested information prior to sending any documents. Occasionally, firms may need more time to organize their documents than the SEC provides. If you have a legitimate reason for requesting an extension, ask the SEC for that extension. Finally, we recommend that your firm has processes in place to organize documents. Have one point person to serve as the gatherer who oversees the adequacy of the documents produced and QCs, labels, and prepares those client records for production. You will also want a depository for tracking what has and has not been produced to the staff. Given the voluminous nature of SEC examinations, it is not uncommon for an examiner to ask for documents that have already been produced. At Jacko Law Group, we are aware of the panic involved with examination requests from the SEC. One of the biggest mistakes firms can make is to solely do it on their own, particularly if there is a known gap in the compliance program. It is important to work with experienced counsel, such as Jacko Law Group, to assist with the best way to present information which is comprehensive, accurate, and illustrates how the firm is fulfilling their duties of loyalty and care. Don't wait until it's too late. Instead, take a proactive approach by opting for an outside corporate counsel to navigate you through the examination and document production process. Our knowledgeable attorneys can keep you informed and focused to ensure that your organization is well equipped for the examination ahead. To find out more and to speak with our team, we invite you to contact us at 619-298-2880 or visit us online at jackolg.com. Thanks for listening. We hope you have a great day.